The brand new studio display behind me is set up, ready to go, but don't worry, we filmed every bit of the unboxing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, firstly, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Tomic. I'm a registered architect here in Western Australia. And if you smash that subscribe button right now, along with the notification bell, in a couple weeks, you'll get the ultimate notification when the brand new Mac Studio M1 Ultra arrives to perfectly pair with this device. I'm also having some incredibly annoying problems with it. If you want to check that video out, I'm going to put the little banner up here. But without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. Anyway, that's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and don't forget about the like button. If there's anything you want to know more of, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to as many people as humanly possible. But until next time, that's all from me.